Now you're pointing fingers, how I robbed and raped you, bruised and scraped you. But those are just lies, cause in your eyes you've been victimized. That's how you size it up, you disguise it up and try to make it look real, to cover up the low self-esteem you feel. Introspection and afterthought, swimming in guilt's your favorite sport. But now you're caught up in the undertow. You never knew a man could sing so low, but now you know, cause you're John Doe. In a black bag, a tag on your toe. I built the house, I felt the pain. You victimized but got no one to blame. Just another victim. You're just another victim, kid. Just another victim. You're just another victim, kid. Holy diver, I'm a survivor. Feeling like De Niro in Taxi Driver with Jodie Foster and Harvey Keitel. Looks like I'm walking through a living hell. So spark that L and I'll get lifted. Feeling the effects of what my split did. Cause I'm gifted, I read Sun Tzu. I brought a gun too, so you'll never come to. The weight of the world riding on my shoulders. Cause I'm a soldier, I thought I told you. You're just another victim. You're just another victim, kid. You're just another victim. You're just another victim, kid. You're just another victim. You're just another victim, kid. You're just another victim. You're just another victim, kid.